Easy now, steady. Walk right up. That's it, good boy. We're almost full here. Keep them moving nice and slow now. Watch that last step onto the floor. Yep. Looks good. They're settling in better than the zebras did last month. Yeah, these guys are professionals. Let's get them to holding bay 3.
Keep them moving slowly to the right. Okay, I have the lead. Good boy.
The cardiac output seems strong post-procedure. Agreed. We can clear this one for the next phase.
The dorsal reading is nominal across all parameters.
Confirmed. The neural activity is stable.
Check the rinse cycle on this one. It seems to be taking longer than usual. The sensor indicates a slight blockage, and I've adjusted the pressure here. Look at the sheen on this one. The ionized air really makes a difference. It certainly does. We're running at full capacity today.
The flow rate is stable now. We can maintain this setting. Confirmed. The data looks good.
Check the intake on Sector 3. They seem to be eating less. It's within the acceptable parameters, but I'll monitor the automated feeders.
Scan complete. Code condition is excellent. Confirmed. All vitals are optimal.
Look at the uniformity of the coat density here. Yes, the follicle structure is excellent. The readings on the light meter suggest a slight color variation on this sheet.
I see it. We should flag this for adjustment.
The calibration on this new head is much faster than the previous model.
Yes, the output has increased by 20% since Tuesday.
We should adjust the pressure settings right here before the next run. Okay. Good idea. That will ensure the leather isn't marked.
The stitching on this pair is absolutely perfect. They really are stunning. The new polish gives them such a deep shine. Yep. We're ahead of schedule on these too.
Look at the finish on this leather. Absolutely perfect. The customer will love this.
The stitching looks flawless on this wool jacket.
Yes, the quality control on this line has been exceptional today. The craftsmanship on this suede is exceptional. Feel the texture.
It's incredibly soft. Are these seams reinforced with the new bonding technique?
This leather shipment just arrived. The grain is exceptional.
Yeah.
I'll update the inventory count now.
Did you see the new designs for next quarter? Yes, they look amazing. The emerald green one is my favorite.
All right, keep it coming straight.
Watch your clearance on the left side.